Sliding that murk till I put it on 6 cents. Hit the like button, subscribe if you with me. Topic and chill, man, we just kicking it. Hit the right bell, then you know when I drop a hit. Current a big police intercept in it. Beat down the block, then box in that blue Chevy. Lift the whole car, got a squat, cut the beat in it. Gotta grind hard, turned up in a whole minute. Just get started, I ain't nowhere. Pro finish, can't let it sit frame in a whole bitch. Shots with the camera focus, I don't need a drip. Put the hammer down, then see. Catch the vibe. Subscribe. Catch the vibe. Subscribe. Catch the vibes. Subscribe.
What good, chill family, man? It's your boy Topic and on back with another video. On break, we just got a package in. I'm finna open it up real quick and we'll finna unbox it when I get home. Package from Walmart, man. We gonna open it up. You know what I'm saying? I just wanna, show y'all guys that we trying to do a little something every week, so got to have that good footage for y'all, man. So okay. This is the packaging. Y'all see Boss BX35 three-way electronic crossover. So everybody been telling me to get one of these, man. And we finally got one, man. So let's make a thumbnail for y'all real quick. Is this the thumbnail? Good thumbnail. Let's make sure. Alright. So when I get off, we go unbox it. On the next video, I'ma just install it for y'all, man. So I'm gonna be right back with y'all, man. So y'all stay locked in. Hey, but look, man. Told y'all I was gonna be back. You know what I'm saying? We have an addition to the budget car audio system, man. We got the Boss Audio Systems BX35 three-way electronic crossover, man. So I've been chopping it up with a few guys, man, and everybody been stating, man, you got the EQ, go and get you a crossover. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all watching the channel, y'all already know, man, like I got Power QC, got the 12, and I got Scar tweeters and mid-range speakers for the interior speakers. So that all that's budget. So I'm not expecting to get the best quality on the market out of my system, but I am going for a great quality sound. But man, we got this crossover right here, and basically a crossover helps separate your tweeters from your mid-range and your subwoofers. So on the low end, your subwoofer amp, you'll tune on, you know what I'm saying, the bass, then for your mid-range, for the mids, and for the highs. It's an equalizer, basically. Just a more in sync, in tune equalizer. You can get more into depth with a crossover than you could with an equalizer. Depending on the person you are now. I'm just speaking for myself, but depending on the person you are. But I'm not gonna hold y'all guys, man. We finna go ahead and open this bad boy. I'm finna show y'all the box real quick. Y'all check it out. That's the box right there, man. Then here go the features right here. Y'all wanna read all that, pause the video, and by all means, man, have edit, guys. So we finna unbox this bad boy, and we go basically see what it look like. So here it is, man. We finna unbox it right now. Make sure we ain't got no tape or nothing on it, yeah. Alright, so let's open this bad boy. Okay. This is, regular degular. We got the user manual right here. You know what I'm saying? But we got screws for the mounted with a 3 amp fuse. So hey man, we ain't pulling that much power. This is basically for the tune the music, man. Have everything in sync. Oh my god. You know what I'm saying? Nothing major, bro. It's just, a crossover. I'm just bringing content to y'all guys so I can, I always have something to post, and then, I always have a video I can follow up with, instead of just coming out the blue with something else. Now let's kind of get that closed. Here we go, guys. Quality of it, man, it feels like a crossover, you know. There's nothing spectacular about it, man, but it's go help with the music. That's for sure. Yup. Real nice, man. Subwoofer, front, rear. Got subwoofer, rear, front. So yeah, man. So your options right there. Okay, they sent an extra fuse, so that's pretty good, man. But yeah. But now just after just unboxing it, I see why, you know, it's just not a, you know, a detailed video you can get into with unboxing this. You really have to install this bad boy and just get a before and after demo of how your music changed. So we will be tuning it, man. We got to get 2 sets of RCA jacks, and we're gonna see what we can do with them subs, bro. Boss audio, bro. But look, y'all guys stay tuned, because on the next video, man, we will be installing this EQ. We will see what changes come with the car audio budget system. I'm pretty satisfied, you know, for what, 40 bucks, 45 bucks, that's pretty decent, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I know for a fact it's gonna make a change in the music. I will be reading this manual later on. But I just really wanted to just come by and show y'all guys the new addition to the budget car audio build, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned, y'all stay locked in, bro. Let's get it. See what's fam. See y'all later. It's a vibe, come and chill. It's a vibe, come and chill.